Magandang umaga po. Good morning, good morning.
Dangkin Boys, ang tropang ligay.
It's Friday morning, everyone. This is Coach Aaron Rodriguez of Tropang Ligaya. Kajun, bati rin niya Kajun.
Oh, good morning, happy Friday day today.
Legend.
Good morning, happy Friday.
Go, bate.
Coffee time.
Good
Bas.
morning everyone, happy Friday.
Ganyan tayo.
Bujay.
Morning everyone. Day 10, wala pa akong alcohol. Except si Boss Mon, ang may alcohol lang. Ha? Morning everyone. God bless everyone. Bye-bye.
Have wonderful time, everyone. Thanks. Pasok.
Hello, good morning. Salamat po. Nakahabol ako. Mag-ingat tayong lahat.
Thank you.